Hello everyone, welcome to Codex channel. Today I am excited to bring you a complete step-by-step front-end course covering HTML and CSS. This course is designed to lay a solid foundation for the front-end frameworks like React, Vue, Angular that will come later. And it is carefully crafted to give you a thorough understanding of the basics. Whether you are a beginner just starting out or someone with some knowledge looking to fill in gaps, this course is for you. First, let's talk about what front-end development is, or more specifically, what can front-end developers create. First and foremost, it's about building websites. Like those of Amazon, eBay, Apple, Microsoft, and other websites we frequently visit. Then there's data visualization, turning raw data into lively, visually appealing charts. In the current full-stack era, front-end developers do more than just traditional web development. With the help of frameworks, we can build servers and create applications for mobile and desktop devices as well. At this point, you might be wondering, what is a server, and what kinds of applications front-end developers can build? Don't worry, we won't go into all the details right now, but in the upcoming lessons, I'll explain these concepts in depth. With the rise of full-stack era, front-end development has a promising future in the IT field. A simple validation of this is that if you search for front-end on job boards, you'll find plenty of positions with great pay. So, where should we start? Of course, we begin by learning how to build websites. And to do that, we need to master HTML and CSS first. Now, let me briefly introduce the structure of our course content. The HTML section covers both HTML4 and HTML5, while the CSS section covers both CSS2 and CSS3. Here's the overall learning plan. We will start with HTML4, followed by CSS2. Then we'll move on to HTML5, and finally we'll dive into CSS3. In the HTML4 section, we'll cover basic elements like semantic tags, hyperlinks, layout tags, and more. The CSS2 section will focus on the box model, selectors, various properties, and other techniques to make your website more visually appealing. In the HTML5 section, we'll explore new features of HTML5, allowing you to write more modern websites. Finally, in the CSS3 section, we'll look at more exciting topics like Flexbox, responsive layouts, 2D and 3D transforms, and more. Now, some of you might be wondering, can I really learn all this? My answer is absolutely, because this course is designed with the following principles in mind. First, the order in which the knowledge is presented is logical. For example, when we cover CSS2 selectors, we will also touch on CSS3 selectors. In real-world development, the focus is on how to quickly and accurately select elements, rather than memorizing theoretical concepts. So, I'll be teaching these in a way that aligns with actual development practices from the very beginning. Additionally, we've provided detailed notes. Every key point covered in the video, every summary, and every chapter's important notes are all compiled into easy-to-follow materials. Here are 2 sample segments from our notes to give you an idea. Another feature is that this course takes a deep dive into the technical details. For many beginners, there are points that can be confusing, so I've carefully broken down concepts and their practical applications. For example, how is selector specificity calculated? What exactly does vertical align do? What is the block formatting context, aka BFC, and much more. Understanding these concepts will truly solidify your foundation, clear up any confusion, and prepare you for more advanced topics. I will try to log into the channel for 20 minutes every 1 to 2 days to review and respond to your technical questions. I'm happy to help clarify any doubts you have, and I encourage everyone to engage in discussions and share solutions with other learners. To wrap it all up, I'm honored to guide you as we open the door to the front-end world. So let's move on to the next video and start exploring the exciting world of web development.